How you guys doing? This strategy is honestly going to change your trading career completely. This is honestly a very easy ICT strategy that is used by very big people that trade millions of dollars a day. It takes some time to master, but it's really not hard. I'm going to give you a little breakdown of how it works and then a real life example in the charts. So, how the strategy works. We have buy side that gets taken right up here. So we have an uptrend to a downtrend. So you have buy side that gets taken. Now we look for a change in a state to give us proof that we're going to be changing direction to a downtrend from an uptrend. Now what we want to do is we want to look for a fair value gap tapped in. So the second we change the state and we change the trading direction to downtrend, we want to see a retap into a fair value gap to continue pushing us down. What you can also look for is a inverted fair value gap right at the break on the retest when it comes back down into the zone. That's just to give you a double confluence. Okay, so for now a live example. So let's see what we have. So we're on the 5-minute time frame. We can see that we recently just took these highs up here. So this is our buy side that just got swept. We'll come down to the 1 minute, and now what we're gonna look for is a change in a state. So we're gonna be trying to hope for this low to get taken. See how it happens. Let's see what happens over here. There we go. We have the low that got taken. That's very nice. What we also have is a fair value gap, and we also have a inversion. With this inversion that we have now and this fair value gap with the change in the state, we just want to look for a tap in. If we can get a tap in, then we can take a sell position. So let's take this sell right above here, and we're going to target a standard deviation of -2, or maybe right to these lows. Take it right to these lows. Let's see how this goes. See, we just broke past this -1. We had a little rebounce off the -1 because -1 is a very strong support area, and we pushed right down to these last lows. Let's see if we would have continued lower. We would have tapped into that -2. But it's perfectly fine as long as you guys get the main idea of how the strategy works. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, packed with some pretty good knowledge, and it's a strategy I haven't shown on this channel yet. So I hope you guys have an amazing day.